Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I will show you how to track the orientation of a mobile phone. First, we create a button. When the button is pressed, we trigger the Request Device Orientation function with the onClick event. We declare this function in our JS file as a synchronous function. With the first if we see if the phone is iOS 13 or higher. With the else if query, we check whether this function is supported at all. If it is not supported at all, we issue this with an alert. With this advent listener, we can see if the mobile phone is turned. If it is rotated, we trigger the function handle orientation. To test it, we can simply log the event. To test it now, we can examine the website and open the sensors via the 3 points under More Tools. If we now press the button and move the mobile phone, it logs all the data. But if we do this on a mobile phone with iOS 13 or newer, we need permission first. We can do this in the try event with the request permission function. If there is an error there, it triggers catch and is logged. Once we have received a response, we check whether the response is granted. Now we can add the event listener again. Here you can see the HTML and CSS code of the cube, which I have already inserted. Now we can animate the cube. First we have to store alpha, beta, and gamma in variables. With Query Selector we can select the cube via the class by adding a dot to the front of the class name. And with Transform Rotate we can then rotate it. The whole thing now also works on the iPhone. I hope you liked the video, and I would be happy about a like or a subscription.